So, hi everyone. I'm really glad that you're joining Emma's General Assembly. And my name is Thomas. I'm from the Partnership Development Unit, and I will introduce you our unit in the short presentation. But for that, turn on the full screen because I have some important stuff to say. So let's start. So we are the Partnership Development Unit. We are among the youngest units in EMMA, but that gives us a lot of room to explore what we want to do and how we want to do it. So there's definitely a lot of room for ideas on our unit. But first, so what we do at the Partnership Development Unit. First of all, obviously, we build partnerships, and the goal is to strengthen Emma's identity either in the community, among the alumni and students, or among our partners, Erasmus Mundus courses, businesses, NGOs, and so on. Why we do what we do? So we want to take Emma to the next level, and I think this can only happen through building meaningful partnerships with partners that don't compromise our core values and are aligned with Emma's values and our identity. So who we are at the Partnership Development Unit. So essentially, it's 12 people. It's obviously me. So we have three sub-unit leaders, that being Nayab, Giovanna, and Christina. And then we have Max, Bedel, Gigi, Vinita, Katrina, Mahmoud, Arjai, Sanjana, and Nicola on these units. Our structure is essentially it's three subunits. So it's a financial sustainability subunit, community benefit subunit, and account management subunit. So financial sustainability subunit, it's everything business related. So they would mainly work with corporate partners or mainly in the business sector. Community benefits, it's building a community through partnerships. So looking for partners that, in some sense, uh, they will give back to the community. And account management, they deal with our partners. So once the partnership is closed, they ensure that all the deliverables are executed and everything goes smoothly. So you might be asking why to join the Partnership Development Unit. So there are three main reasons, in my opinion. So it's a network. You gain access to an extensive network, not just within Emma, but also with the organizations you work with. These might be all over the world, so you are not really geographically limited. It's the impact you can have on an organization with 12,000 members, and the experience you gain through this volunteering. You're working with real life organizations, so to say. So that's definitely a valuable experience. What do we look for? So we look for ideas and ownership. There are many ideas we need to generate. For example, how to find partners in the sector, how to write a compelling action plan to them, or how to come up with a marketing idea for these partners, and so on. And the second is ownership. So once you have these ideas, you have to follow through and work on them, not relying on anyone to do it for you. And how to connect. So I leave these emails here, and feel free to reach out to any of these addresses. Everyone at the partnership unit will be happy to answer. So thank you very much, and see you at the GA.